Repeat after me and practice English with this story.
3 years ago, my life changed forever. My name is Lena. I am 26 years old. I live in a small town. Life here is quiet but heavy. When I was 23, my parents told me something important. "You must get married," they said. "It is time." I was not ready. I had dreams. I wanted to travel. I wanted to study more. But my voice was small. They introduced me to a man named Daniel. Daniel was polite. He spoke softly. He had a stable job. Everyone liked him. Everyone except my heart. I did not hate him, but I did not feel love. My mother said, "Love is not important. Respect is enough." My father said, "You will learn to love him." I was afraid to say no, so I said yes. The wedding day came quickly. People smiled. People congratulated me. I smiled too, but inside I felt lost. After the wedding, we moved to a new apartment. It was clean. It was quiet. It felt cold. Daniel tried his best. He asked me about my day. He bought me small gifts. He waited for me every night. But I felt like a guest in my own life. Every morning I woke up early. I sat by the window. I watched people walking outside. I asked myself one question every day. How did I get here? Daniel noticed my silence. "Do you feel tired?" he asked. "Are you sick?" I smiled and said, "No, I'm okay." But I was not okay. Months passed. I laughed less. I spoke less. I felt smaller. At night, when Daniel slept, I cried quietly. I missed a life I never lived. One evening, Daniel said something unexpected. "Lena," he said, "did you marry me because you wanted to or because you had to?" My heart started beating fast. I could not answer. He looked at me and sighed. "You feel lonely," he said, "even when you are here." That night I did not sleep. I thought about everything. Daniel was not a bad man, but he was not my choice. I understood something important. A marriage without love is not loud. It is silent. It slowly takes your voice. A week later, I made a decision. I sat with Daniel at the table. My hands were shaking. "I respect you," I said, "but I am not living my life." He listened. He did not interrupt. When I finished, he said quietly, "I always knew." Tears filled his eyes. "I hoped one day you would choose me," he said, "but you never did." Now I stand alone again. I don't know what my future looks like, but for the first time in years, I can breathe. This is not a story about love. It is a story about choice and choosing yourself.